Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing another Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. Today we're going to be opening the 25th century tin. So it's the Duelling Mirrors tin. So let's get it open. So that's what's included. If anyone's interested, you can pause it and read that. So we get 3 mega packs of the Duelling Mirrors. So we're just going to go straight into them. So the first one here. So we got Split Mirror of the Underworld, Tenchi Kami, Card Scanner, Kitsunebi. We got Melfi Wally. Got Pirelli. We got Time to Stand Up. Tuning. Green Gadget. Manadium Breakheart. Maze Attraction Thrill Train. Mikanko Dance Meiwashidori. And Ice Jade Manifestation. So the first one's from the first pack. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's a big nook on the back of that one. So we got Circle of Fairies, Scapegoat, Infinite Antlion, Perfectly Shirley, New World Formation, a couple of aces, Terai, the Coco Commander to the Queen. Then we also have the Abyss Dragon Sword Soul, Sinful Spoils of Doom, Rishila, got Pit Knight Philly, Vanquish Soul Raisin, and I Do the Supreme Magical Force. And that's the one with the nick on the back, unfortunately. So that's what we got from the second pack. Let's move on to the next one. So final pack. Do 4 from the back. So then we got Digit Jamming, Minakura, Scapegoat, Locus Samsara, Mental Tuner, Giant Ball Game, Meccano Spirit Walk, Kashtera Big Bang. Ooh. Then we have Red Eye Soul, Unchained Soul of Shyama, Starring Night, Invocation. And Borrowload Dragon. So that's what we got from the third pack. And then what we got all together. So that's what we've got all together. So 15 special cards. So overall pretty good. I'll go and find out which of them are the priciest. So in terms of value, I'll edit the values above these cards here, but basically these ones down here are about 50p each. Then we go to about £1, then we jump to about £3 I think it was, and then this one here, the Vanquished Soul Raisin, is something like just under £10. So a pretty good pull. I think I spent about £15 on the tin. So overall a pretty good, a few good pulls from that. Thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more Yu-Gi-Oh content. Thank you for watching and have a good day.